Hi guys, welcome back to Guru Tech Networking Training. So in this video, we're going to learn how to do basic configuration for the FortiGate Firewall. So we already have this image that we did install or import some days back. We have that video and I'll leave it in the video's description or the first comment. Please watch that video and learn how to import this FortiGate Firewall image, right? Okay, so this being a basic configuration of the firewall, I'm gonna do both CLI and the web interface, right? So I'll just need a cloud, just choose a cloud and put it there. Always ensure that you run on the GNS3 VM, okay? Right. So as well, I need a Cisco switch just for testing purposes, and maybe one Windows PC and one VPC virtual computer. Okay. All right. So pretty much simple. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna connect them. I connect this to the first interface. Okay. So basically, this video is for FortiGate Firewall configuration. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is just to turn on all the devices, start all the devices. All right. Then maybe I'll give some more minutes so that the interfaces are ready. Remember, they're still booting up. So maybe I'll need to give like 30 seconds to 1 minute so that I get the console ready. Okay, so guys, as you can see, now the interface is ready, the CLI is ready, the terminal actually is ready, and I can proceed to log in. The default password is always, the default username is always admin, and for GNS3 version, the password is always blank, just hit enter. Then it asks you to set a new password, which will say also admin, as well as admin. All right, perfect. So here guys, what I want us to configure are pretty much simple. For a firewall, we have what's called zones, the firewall zones, inside, outside, etc., okay, or the LAN or the WAN, etc., okay. So in this scenario, we want to assign each interface IP addresses, give it a role, as well as the alias, okay. All right. So before maybe I do that, allow me to configure hostname, config system global. All right. Then just say hostname to be set hostname to be GuruTech Firewall. Okay. All right. So you see, it's not been saved because I'm still under this global the global interface. So let me just end. Let me exit that interface. Then you will see the firewall house name has been set. So the second thing I do, I'm gonna set I'm gonna configure IP address for each interface. So I just say config system interfaces. Okay, then I'm gonna say show. So I'm interested in which interface, port 1 at port 1 and port 2, right? So if I check port 1, the mode is DHCP. Port 2, it has not been set anything. Okay, all right. So let's do that. Okay, so edit. I'm gonna edit port 1 first, then show. Just want to see the property, vtom, okay, root, set mode. Well, I want it to be, a firewall interface should be a static IP address. Okay, so I'm just gonna say set mode static. Okay, then set IP. Now, which IP are we gonna set? Here is very important. Remember, this firewall is running inside this GNS3 VM. So we must allocate IP address which is closely similar or in this same network. So in that regard, so I'm just saying set IP 192.168.16 oh sorry 168.160 now dot maybe 135. Okay, then 25 just /24 if it will agree. Perfect. Okay, all right. So just want to tell you that we are going to set post 1 IP to be static, then IP address to be that one. Okay, all right. So set alias, set alias. Alias is like a name. Okay, that's a one interface. Then set roles as well. Set role to be let me query. Yes, one. I want it to be one. Where the network, where it connects to the global or the internet. Okay, all right. So the most important thing also, we need to allow certain protocols or services. So let me just copy this one and allow ping HTTP, HTTPS. Okay, so what again? Set allow access ping HTTPS, SSH, HTTP, etc. etc. Okay. All right. So now let's go to port 2. So go next. Okay. Edit. Edit port 2 now. Oh, sorry. Port. Oh, sorry. Sorry, we need to go inside the interface. Sorry, we need to go to interface. Okay, so end. Okay, no worry. Config sys int. Config system interface, edit port 2, the one that connects to our LAN. Okay, so first of all, let's assume our LAN is maybe 192.168.10.0/24. Okay, perfect. So I'm just gonna say show first. Yeah, show first. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just going to say set mode to be static. Okay, for IP addressing. Then set IP to be 192.168.10. The first IP actually in that subnet /24. Okay, then set alias to be LAN. Okay, set role to be LAN. Okay, sorry, set role to be query LAN in lowercase. Okay, all right. Then you have to allow access. What do you want to allow? Set allow access to be ping, HTTP, HTTPS, SSH. What else? Yeah. So end. Sure. First. Yeah. So these are our settings there. Then end. So to save all the configuration. Perfect. So guys, we've learned how to configure basic settings for the FortiGate Firewall interfaces in regards to the interface IP, the role, the alias, and allow access to certain protocols or services. Okay, all right. So it's a time that now we try to access this FortiGate Firewall on our web on our browser, because to do advanced troubleshooting or advanced configuration we should access the GUI. Okay, yeah, well, we can do it on the terminal, but it feels interesting when you do it on the GUI. Okay, so how are we going to access this FortiGate firewall on our browser? Pretty much simple. We're going to use the one interface. Okay, so remember the one interface, which is port 1, the IP address was let me just config config system interface. Sure, port 1, here it is. Yeah, so that's the IP address that we're gonna use to access on our browser. So I'm just gonna take that one and paste it here. All right, and just hit enter. See, it's loading. Then admin. Perfect. So guys, we've managed to configure basic settings on the FortiGate firewall, and as well access the FortiGate firewall on our web, on the browser. Okay, the web-based. Okay, the GUI. Right. So you can see the username that we just configured is here, which is indeed here. Okay, and as well you can go to network interfaces under network tab. Go to network interfaces and you see whatever we set there. LAN was here as well as WAN, and you could see whatever we did on this side. All right. Okay, thank you so much guys, and let's see you again in the next video where we're going to learn how to configure FortiGate firewalls as the DHCP server. Thank you. Bye.